So general equation of a parabola is of the type y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, this is just one of the type of parabola which looks like this.
Okay.
Okay, parabola is normally drawn somehow like this. Okay, but it's okay, we can draw it kind of like this. Okay, then there's a point over here which is called as focus, and that is situated at a comma 0. So this a is significant because of that. From the value of a we are getting the coordinates of focus. For example, if I have y square is equal to 4x as the equation, then if I compare this with y square is equal to 4ax, I can see that 4a is equal to 4 and the value of a is 1. So the coordinate of focus of this parabola is 1 comma 0. This is how we use the equation and get coordinates of focus. Then this value of a parabola is called as vertex. For the one which we are looking at right now, the vertex is 0, 0. If a parabola is shifted, then how do we make it? So let us see over here. So let's say instead of vertex 0, 0, the same parabola is having a vertex over here. So this point is some h comma k, and accordingly the value for focus will also change. How it will change, that I'll tell you after the equation. So equation of parabola with a shifted vertex is written as, the original was y square is equal to 4ax. This one will be written as y minus k whole square is equal to 4ax minus h.
Okay.
Now if we compare with the previous one, I can say that the focus for the previous one was a comma 0. For now, just to understand it in an easier way, I will consider y minus k as capital Y and x minus h as capital X. So now I have rewritten the same shifted equation in the form of y square is equal to 4ax, for which the focus will be a comma 0. Now if I really write it down and equate, so I'll say that x is equal to a and y is equal to 0. But as per my given case, capital X is actually equal to x minus h. So if I replace it by x minus h, then I'll get the coordinate, the value of x as a plus h. Similarly, if I replace this y with y minus k, then I will get the coordinate of y as k. Now this a plus h comma k is the coordinate of my new focus. Okay, which will be somewhere over here. It's just a tentative location, but this is how we will find focus for a shifted parabola. So this is like a system which will be replicated for all types of parabola, and y minus k, x minus h, this is like a very general and universal coordinates. We always consider h comma k as the shifted center coordinate or vertex coordinate for a shifted conic. This is a parabola, so we can call this as a vertex. For a circle also, if h comma k is, let's say, coordinate of a center, then we can say that this circle is shifted from the origin. Originally circle is drawn like this, whose center is 0, 0. Instead of this, instead of 0, 0, if I shift it to some h comma k, then I'll write equation as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Sometimes h and k are also referred to as a and b when we write that general equation, but these are just symbolic. Okay, so this is how we write equation of a shifted parabola.